All right, welcome, fellow adventurers, to Mimi and G's grand walking tour of Munich. Buckle up, or, tie your walking shoes. Anyway, because we're about to take you on a whirlwind of Bavarian delights, from ancient gates to some seriously impressive surfing. Yes, you heard right, surfing in Munich. There you go.
Stop 1, Munich street scene. The buzz begins. And just like that, we were swallowed by the magic of Munich. The first thing that hits you is just the vibe. I don't know.
We're trying.
If you want to change the site, I wrote it in English on a
It's old, it's new, it's alive.
Absolutely. Every turn was a postcard. We were just soaking it all in, getting our bearings and trying not to get run over by a rogue pretzel vendor. We're deer? It's an unexpected detour.
Things got a little illuminating. We stumbled on this place.
I'm pretty sure it translates to Osram hell how it was. Now understand, hell in German is not a bad word, and that was actually Osram's headquarters many years ago, and that was their slogan, like Burger King, have it your way. That was their slogan, and it's still on the building. It is now an apartment building, not on the main tourist route, but that's the beauty of just wandering around, right? You find these hidden things.
So stop 3, the majestic city gate, a grand welcome. Next up, we literally walked through history, the city gate. You just feel the centuries of footsteps that have passed through there.
It really sets the stage for the whole city. You step through and suddenly you're in a fairy tale, and I have my princess with me. It's like, welcome to Munich, prepare to be charmed, getting lost gloriously.
Then we found this old building near the city fountain. It was just so picturesque, like something straight out of a storybook.
The city fountain, what a magnificent sight. The way the light hit it, just chef's kiss.
It was gorgeous, and we even spotted an artist sketching there. It was one of those moments where you realize you're in a city that truly values beauty and art.
Oh, they really did.
Prepare yourself, because the Residenz München Museum and the Residenz München itself were just jaw-dropping.
Unbelievable room after room of sheer opulence, history and incredible artistry. You could spend days in there and still not see everything. It was like stepping into a royal dream. Every ceiling, every wall, pure extravagance. You can't go to Munich without visiting the Hofbräuhaus. It's an institution.
The atmosphere is just electric. We grabbed a table, G got an enormous stein, and just soaked in the glorious chaos and the food. And oh my goodness, München for lunch was absolutely delicious. It was hearty, comforting, everything you want the morning after exploring the city. The new town hall, it's Gothic, it's grand, it's iconic. And right there, we saw a painter painting a portrait of it with a charming church in the background. It was such a quintessential Munich moment.
But the real star of the course is the Rathaus-Glockenspiel. We made sure to be there for the show. The little figures dancing, the chimes, it's absolutely enchanting. You feel like a kid again, just mesmerized.
Juliet's bronze breast, a cheeky tradition. All right, now, here's a little fun. We found Juliet's bronze breast.
Yes, we did. The tradition is that if you rub it, you will have good luck in love. And let's just say, it's very shiny. Everyone gets in on it. It's a bit of a laugh and adds to the charm of the city. Not far from the Glockenspiel, we had to see the Church of Our Lady. Those twin towers just dominate the skyline. But we came here for the footprint.
It's so imposing and beautiful. You walk inside, and it's just so peaceful and awe-inspiring. A true masterpiece of architecture.
English gardens, a green oasis.
If you need a break from all the historical grandeur, the English gardens are your sanctuary.
They're enormous and absolutely beautiful. We wandered through the flower gardens, which were so vibrant and cheerful. It's truly a very good place to just relax, people watch, and enjoy nature in the heart of the city. Surfers Video! Grand finale. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. The most unexpected sight in landlocked Munich. The surfers.
We were able to watch them for a long time. It's utterly wild. These guys are just riding a permanent wave on the Eisbach River. It's such a unique and gorgeous, energetic, and completely surprising thing to see in the city, known for its beer and historical buildings. Munich surfing is one of our favorite memories. Smash the like and subscribe button to keep up with the memories.
That, my friends, was our incredible walking tour of Munich. From centuries of history to modern-day river surfing, it was a trip filled with wonder, delicious foods, and plenty of laughs.
We hope you enjoyed this stroll down memory lane with us. Want to see more of us? Click here, and we'll see you here next time on Mimi and G.
Munich truly captures our hearts, and we can't wait to go back. What a Mimi and G adventure.